Hello everyone, in this video I will show you an example of a project that we will build together. This project simply consists in looking at our expenses. It means we will look into the bar of 2021, we can see that in March I bought a new TV and that in June I paid the insurance of my car. We will create these components little by little, and as you can see we can also add an expense. That means we will be able to put that I spent money for a PC and that it cost 1000 euros. We will say that I bought it the 10th of August 2021. Here you can see in August 2021 we bought our PC which cost us 1000 euros. So we're going to build this little by little and I'm going to explain to you in details how it all works. So I invite you to go to the next course to start our little project.